In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an Agentforce-Enabled playground in Salesforce Trailhead. This simple guide will walk you through the steps you need to take to set it up, all in just about 5 minutes. Let's dive right in. First, we need to get started, and that means heading over to the Salesforce Trailhead website. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to trailhead.salesforce.com. If you haven't already done so, log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, we're ready to move on to the next step. Now that you're on Trailhead, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your avatar displayed there. Go ahead and click on it to open a drop-down menu. From this menu, select the option labeled Hands-on Orgs. This section is where all of your Trailhead playgrounds and Salesforce environments live, allowing you to manage them or create new ones as needed. With the Hands-on Orgs menu open, you'll notice a button that says Create Playground. Click on this button to start the process. A prompt will appear asking you to name your new playground. Choose a name that is meaningful and easy to remember, perhaps something that indicates its purpose or the project it will be associated with. Once you've settled on a name, confirm your choice and the system will begin setting up the new playground for you. This process might take a moment, so you can relax while the system does its thing. After your playground is created, the next important step is to find the Playground Starter app. This app is essential for initiating and enabling all the features you'll need, including Agentforce. To find it, head back to your Hands-on Orgs list and locate your newly named playground. Look for the Launch button next to it and click to enter. This will take you directly into the Playground Starter app, where all the magic happens. Congratulations, you've successfully created an Agentforce-enabled playground in Salesforce Trailhead. This simple process allows you to experiment and practice with Salesforce tools in a dedicated and safe environment without affecting any live data. As you continue to explore this playground, remember that it's a powerful way to test new features, practice Trailhead modules, and even develop new applications within Salesforce. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide made the setup process clear and straightforward. Be sure to subscribe for more helpful tutorials and tips around Salesforce and other tech tools. Happy exploring!